Apple officially introduced its Vision Pro headset to usher in a new era of technology. The tech firms called Visionary Pro a special computing device instead of a VR headset, and the CEO likes to refer it as the most advanced consumer electronic device ever created. With the Apple Vision Pro has just made it in the market, concerns about its potential privacy violations are rising. This is mainly due to the device's ability to capture identifiable information. To address concerns, Apple plans to acquire an AI startup. The name of the AI startup is German AI startup Brighter AI. The deal would help iPhone maker to bolster privacy features of an Vision Pro headset. Brighter AI is a Berlin-based startup that has developed a technology for analyzing faces and license plates without blurring. The technology is called Deep Natural Accumulation 2.0 and help to identify the identities by preserving the natural appearance of objects in the image. Apple and Google blur faces and license plates in their map images due to privacy concerns and to protect the identity of the people captured in this image. Apple blurring technology has been undergoing various improvements in the US and EU since 2015. It remains obsolete compared to Brighter AI's technology. Acquiring Brighter AI allows Apple to abandon its old-fashioned blurring technology and uses an AI-driven method. The main benefit is that it analyzes data without ruining the image appearance. This could be an essential step towards enhancing the privacy and user experience on Apple devices and apps.